Hi guys, if you are here to watch a Stitch Fix unboxing video. This is for May of 2022, and let's see. Oh, that's right, this box, it has a couple of pairs of tan booties I need because I'm going to be in my friend's wedding in November, and she very specifically needed all of her bridesmaids to wear tan booties, and I found some on Amazon, and I'm not having a whole lot of luck thrifting them to the same style as all the other bridesmaids. So anyways, Stitch Fix came in clutch for me. They're sending me a couple that we are going to try on today, and there's some other things in there as well. Anyways, moving on. Each box comes with a card from your stylist about, sorry, just Mike's outside and Roxy's upset that she is also not outside, and so we're just gonna have to deal with it. She does have access to my room this time. Anyways, moving on, you get a card from your stylist with all 5 of your items and how they suggest styling them, as well as a little blurb about why they chose what they chose or whatnot. So let's go ahead and see what my stylist has to say. It says, "Hey Amanda, happy Fix Day and welcome to Fix number 34. I hope that this is finding you happy and healthy in Texas. How exciting was your Fix preview experience?" Guys, I might need to get a new stylist. This is the exact same like 3 or 4 sentences that she has started off every box with, and maybe I just need to be kinder, but I don't know. I watched some of your guys' Stitch Fix unboxings, and I'm like, I don't feel like I'm getting maybe a truly Stitch Fix experience. Anyways, it says, "I'm so glad to see that you found multiple items that you look forward to trying on. I picked out some of the booties, and there was 1 or 2 other things that I was like, I don't need them, but they're super cute and I want to try them." So anyways, now let's have some fun and start trying on some clothes like the lush black bodysuit paired with the studio blue jeans, and finish the look with some strappy sandals or wedges for a fun and casual look. How do the jeans fit you? Do you like the style of bodysuit? Another option to try could be the 9 Britain dress and add strappy sandals or wedges to stay casual. Please always feel free to let me know which items are working well for you and how I can improve to better help you in the future. I can't wait to hear from you. Your friend, Brittany." Anyways, let's go ahead and dive on in. There's also the invoice or receipt, whatever word you want to use for it. I don't worry about that till the end. We also have a prepaid mailer to return anything that I don't like in this box. And here is our bundle. Our bundle is kind of small because of the pairs of shoes. Let's go ahead and start with this. So this is the bodysuit that I got. I'm a little worried because I've heard that if you're long-waisted, these things are not comfortable. It is ribbed, and something I did not realize, and that it is a crossbody in the back. So we'll have to see if I can find something that fits well with that as far as bras go. Moving on, here's a dress that just looks so cute in the preview that I had to try it on, and we'll see if I'm a sucker and I actually end up keeping it, but it's just too cute. 1, it's a floral print. You know, I'm a sucker for floral print. These sleeves, these little flare sleeves that are always like super flattering on basically everyone, could not help. Also, look, there's like a little tie knot detail right here that's actually one of those like keyhole deals. Super cute. Like I had to try it. I couldn't say no. And then I think I picked 4 out of the 5 items in my preview, and I told my stylist find something that would pair well with the bodysuit. So these are the jeans she sent that go with that. And I don't think I have anything this light. They are distressed, and it looks like there may be more of a boot cut, and the bottoms are cuffed. Now with that being said, I have short legs, so we'll see if this is a good look or not. We'll go ahead and move on to the first set of booties now. So let's see. So these, I'm not sure actually are quite the right color or the right aesthetic, but they're kind of cute. I know the strings are a little wonky right now, but look at those. Look at them. They're beautiful. So those are the first set of boots. And then let's go ahead and see what the second set of boots looks like. Okay, so here are the second set of boots, which they're the safe route. Okay, let's be honest. I feel like these are more likely going to get approved by the bride. They're more traditional. They're probably going to go with just a lot of other things in general. Like they'd be more flexible, adaptable to all sorts of looks and styles. So with that being said, let's go ahead and try on some of this stuff. Okay, let's talk about this dress. So it is very cute. Again, like I said, these sleeves virtually flattering on everyone. That was Mike. I love the dress. My only concern about it is that it is just a wee bit short. Maybe I'm just feeling self-conscious, but he seems to enjoy the dress. I did pair this with a pair of, well, I guess the first pair of tan booties, which are pretty cute. They are Toms, which I forgot to mention, and they are apparently have like an orthopedic insole or something. I'll be honest, these boots, if I wear them to the wedding that I was talking about, it is a outdoor November wedding in northern Wisconsin. So they're a little bit on the tight side, and I really need something I can wear a big pair of wool socks underneath. So if I do keep them, I might try to size up in them if I can. Otherwise, this ended up being a very cute outfit. I was gonna go grab those pair of wedges that I got at some point in the last year from Stitch Fix, but this dress looks very cute with the booties. Okay, so this isn't like a statement I'm trying to make. Like, I can technically get these buttoned, but it's not comfortable. So I like these pants. I could try to size up if they'll let me, but for the sake of comfort, I'm not monetized, so it doesn't matter. Anyways, let's go ahead and talk about the upper half of this outfit. So I do really like the cutouts. It's very cute. I already have a couple of like outfit ideas. It's not too tight like I was concerned it might be. I heard sometimes on long-waisted people, bodysuits can be kind of hit or miss. And this one seems stretchy, so maybe that's why it's working for me. I don't really have the correct bra to wear with this right now, but this one's working out just fine. It's doing the job. I just feel like I need something a little bit different, where you can't see the straps as much. Not that you guys can really see them all that much right now, but I do really like this. We'll go ahead and pan down to the lower half of my body. So I did decide to pair this outfit with the other pair of boots because in my mind it was cute, and I do still think it's cute. As far as the boots go, I like them. They're definitely, I think, the more practical option, if you will. I definitely could fit a pair of wool socks into these boots. And I feel like these are just like very Texas appropriate boots to wear with like a cute dress or anything. Mike brought up the scenario of like when we go wine tasting and I wear a cute little summer dress and a pair of shoes, which honestly I'd probably be wearing a pair of sandals because when we go wine tasting, it's usually summer and it's usually 100 degrees. But either way, they're cute. I'll have to see what the bride thinks of everything. Anyways, let's go look at this invoice. Okay, let's go over this invoice. Let's see, the first pair of boots that I tried on were $99.95, so they were money. The second pair of boots I tried on were only $65 in comparison. That being said, I have a couple of tan booties in my Amazon cart. I have been debating on whether or not I want to try and buy or try on or anything, so I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if I commit to those or not. Moving on, the dress is $48. The jeans that do not fit me are $66. They are a size 8. And I thought I had switched my sizing to a size 10 in the app. I could be wrong. Maybe I am wrong. I'll see if I can size up on them because I do like them. Honestly, I might even try to go up 2 sizes so I get the more like relaxed, loose-fitting look that is more popular because skin tight is kind of going out of style, and more loose clothing in general is kind of coming into style. Anyways, the bodysuit is $34. So the subtotal is $312.95. If you keep all 5 items, there is a 25% discount. So if I were to keep all 5, the new subtotal would be $234.71. Thing is, I'm not going to keep both pairs of booties, and we'll have to see what the bride says about it. I think I'm gonna have to think about whether or not I'm gonna keep the other items or not. Again, I don't really need another floral summer dress. I just don't. I like them. I like them a lot. Mike likes them a lot. But yeah, I do kind of want to keep this bodysuit. I like that for sure. The jeans, I don't really need another pair of jeans, but these are cute. And if I can get them a couple sizes up, maybe, and then maybe return them if I don't like them. I just don't know as much about Stitch Fix's return policy once you buy something. I'll have to see. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider doing all the things that make YouTube more likely to suggest my video to other people, such as liking, sharing, subscribing, commenting, and turning on that notification bell. Thanks so much for watching. Stay cool out there. Have a good day, my friends.